Today in this lecture, we are going to discuss some of the soil mechanics basics formulas. So, these formulas are really important for being a civil engineering students. So, you should know and remember these following formulas which I am going to mention, and I will also show you that how we can use these formulas in the laboratory as well as in the theory field. So, you should must remember these formulas. The first formula which is used in the soil mechanics is the E is equal to the N divided by the 1 minus N, where E is the void ratio, N is the porosity. So these are the two different terms here used in this formula. So if one is known to us, if the porosity is known to us, then we can find the void ratio. Now the second formula is, if we are given with the void ratio, so we can find the porosity by this formula. So by this formula can also be derived from this formula. These formulas are interchangeable. So the third formula is that the S dot E is equal to the W into G. This is also mostly used in the soil mechanics, where the S is the degree of saturation of the soil, E is the void ratio of the soil, W is the water content, and G is the specific gravity. So this is the formula. So we can find, if we know the three parameters, for example, if you are given these three parameters, so we can find the degree of saturation. If we are given with these three parameters, we can find the specific gravity, and so on. So this is also very used in the soil mechanics problems. The fourth one is that the gamma this E into gamma W with the 1 plus E. Here we know that the bulk unit weight is equal to the G is the specific gravity of the soil plus degree of saturation into void ratio. It is multiplication here. These both are multiplied in the bracket, and then the unit weight of the water. This is the unit weight of the water. This is not the same as the bulk unit weight. And then divided by the 1 plus E, so we can find the bulk unit weight by this formula. And the bulk unit weight is also is equal to the total weight of the soil divided by total volume. We can find the bulk unit weight by this formula. But in some problems, we are given with the sum of the parameters like these ones. So we should know that how to find the bulk unit weight by this method. So the fifth formula is used in the soil mechanics is the gamma saturated is equal to the G plus E divided by the 1 plus E, here again gamma W. The only difference between the gamma saturated and gamma B, which is bulk unit weight, and the gamma saturated difference is that here S is used and there is no S. Because in the gamma saturated case, we have degree of saturation is equal to the 1. So we place here the 1. So this is now called as the gamma saturated. The only difference, we can learn this formula if we learn already this formula. So this can be easily learned just by removing the S, because S is 1 in case of the gamma saturated. Now the sixth formula is the dry unit weight, D, gamma D is equal to the G into gamma W, which is the unit weight of water, divided by the 1 plus E, void ratio. So this formula is used to find the gamma D, which is the dry unit weight of the soil. The seventh formula is also for the dry unit weight, but in terms of the bulk unit weight, right? 1 plus W. So this formula is also used to find the gamma, the dry unit weight of the soil if we are given with the bulk unit weight of the soil by dividing the 1 plus in water content. The eighth formula is that the gamma submerged is equal to the G minus 1 and bracket and gamma W, unit weight of water, divided by the 1 plus E is the void ratio. So this formula is used to find the gamma submerged. So these were the 8 basic formulas of the soil mechanics. When you are going to learn the soil mechanics basics, so you will be facing these formulas. So it's better to learn and memorize these 8 formulas, which are mostly used in the soil mechanics problems, especially in the soil mechanics 1 theory. So there will be no difficulty for you to solving the problem. Just you should memorize these formulas, and you should know which parameter we are interested to find and which formula is best to use in that problem.